The natural world is full of remarkable organisms that defy expectations, thriving in some of the harshest conditions imaginable. These creatures have adapted in extraordinary ways to environments where survival seems impossible. Each one offers a fascinating glimpse into the resilience of life. In the crushing depths of the ocean lies the Yeti Crab, a pale and hairy crustacean found near hydrothermal vents. These deep-sea hot springs spew superheated water laced with toxic chemicals. Yet the Yeti Crab has developed a unique relationship with the bacteria that grow on its hairy claws. By farming and feeding on these microbes, it thrives in total darkness and temperatures that would kill most creatures. Its bizarre appearance and strange farming behavior make it a symbol of adaptation in the abyss. Thousands of feet above sea level in the frozen deserts of Antarctica, another tiny marvel survives, the Antarctic Springtail. Despite being just millimeters long, this insect-like creature withstands extreme cold by producing natural antifreeze proteins. These proteins prevent ice crystals from forming in its body, allowing it to survive in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Fahrenheit. It spends much of its time hidden in moss and algae during brief Antarctic summers, proving that even the coldest places can harbor life. Journeying to a far harsher and drier environment, the tardigrade reigns as a champion of survival. These microscopic water bears are nearly indestructible, enduring boiling heat, freezing cold, intense radiation, and even the vacuum of space. When conditions become unbearable, tardigrades enter a suspended animation called cryptobiosis, drying out completely until water returns. This ability has fascinated scientists who study tardigrades for clues about life's limits. The Sahara Silver Ant offers another extraordinary example. This insect, found in one of the hottest places on Earth, navigates burning sands with blistering surface temperatures of up to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Its metallic exoskeleton reflects sunlight, keeping it cool as it scours the desert for food during brief, deadly midday windows. It relies on speed, darting between shaded areas and avoiding predators to escape the unforgiving heat. In contrast, the deepest trenches of the ocean, nearly 7 miles down, house a fragile yet astonishing survivor, the Mariana Snailfish. Living under pressures over 1,000 times greater than at sea level, this fish has adapted through its flexible bones and specialized proteins. It thrives where sunlight never reaches, feeding on small crustaceans in the inky depths. The Mariana Snailfish is a testament to the resilience of vertebrates in crushing conditions. Above the Earth's surface, in scalding geothermal springs like those in Yellowstone National Park, Thermophilic Archaea make their home. These ancient microorganisms are some of the most heat-resistant life forms on the planet, surviving temperatures as high as 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Their secret lies in their unique enzymes, which allow them to maintain stability and function under extreme heat. Scientists are studying these enzymes for industrial and medical applications, including drug development and biofuel production. High in the Andes Mountains, at altitudes exceeding 19,000 feet, the Llareta plant clings to life. Looking like a mossy green boulder, this slow-growing plant has adapted to cold, thin air and intense UV radiation. Its tightly packed leaves conserve heat and water, allowing it to endure one of the harshest climates on Earth. Some Llareta plants are estimated to be over 3,000 years old, making them not only survivors but witnesses to millennia of change. Shifting to the fiery interiors of the Earth, the Pompeii worm thrives in hydrothermal vents with temperatures ranging from freezing to nearly boiling. This deep-sea species has a unique symbiosis with heat-loving bacteria that coat its back, providing protection against scorching water. These worms endure a dramatic thermal gradient, living where few organisms dare to venture. Closer to home, in the high deserts of Death Valley, the Devil's Hole pupfish lives in a single geothermal pool, with water temperatures hovering near 93 degrees Fahrenheit and oxygen levels among the lowest for any fish. It survives in a habitat that is nearly unlivable. This pupfish represents a pinnacle of adaptation, relying on its small size and highly specialized behavior to persist. Finally, in the harsh vacuum of outer space, there's the Deinococcus Radiodurans, also known as Conan the bacterium. This microorganism is resistant to extreme radiation, dehydration, and even prolonged exposure to space. Its DNA repair mechanisms are among the most efficient on Earth, enabling it to endure conditions lethal to nearly all other forms of life. Scientists are exploring its potential for use in space travel and radiation shielding. Each of these remarkable organisms demonstrates the resilience of life in ways that are both awe-inspiring and humbling. Their adaptations not only push the boundaries of survival, but also challenge our understanding of where life can exist. From the ocean's depths to the far reaches of space, these species remind us that life finds a way no matter how extreme the environment.